Hello world, welcome back to the Furman Buick GMC on State Road 54 in beautiful Luke, Florida. I'm Jason Speed and I'm so excited to bring you a quick look at the 2024 GMC Hummer EV. This is more than just the next EV. This is an 830 horsepower monster with over 11,000 pound-feet of torque that can get this 9,000 pound machine up to 60 miles an hour in 3.5 seconds. This revolutionary powerhouse is geniusly paired with premium luxury and state-of-the-art technology. The 3X trim also gives you the infinity roof with the transparent glass sky panels that can be removed and stored in either the front or the rear trunk. Capability was no afterthought for the Hummer EV. From the ground up with full armor skid plates underneath, the air ride suspension that will allow it to rise 6 inches into extract mode, the 4-wheel turning for tighter turning radiuses, and of course the instantly notorious crab walk. You're going to enjoy the tech that this Hummer EV brings, like the Bose premium audio system, the 13.4-inch digital touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the digital rearview mirror, and of course, the hands-free Super Cruise. It doesn't take knowing everything about the Hummer EV to fall in love with it, but it does take experiencing it. And now you can experience it for yourself at the Furman Buick GMC on State Road 54 in beautiful Luke, Florida, and ask for speed and roll home in your new EV.